this week's video is about the tools. Eagle Tools is a mecca. I kind of got in touch with them and started talking and told them about my plans and that I want to build this woodworking shop and I need a bunch of machines. And they were like, okay, you know what? We should get you in touch with Powermatic because they're super friendly people too, and maybe you can work something out. That's what we did. I made a list of all the machines that I want, and they were like, okay, this is what we can offer, and they made me a really nice deal. And now that brings us to the delivery of the tools, the machines that are perfectly set up, and some other machines that I was setting up. And you hear me say this in every video, I totally underestimated this. And this is where we are. Again, I think this shop is pretty much ready to go. You cannot believe how impatient I am. I cannot wait to get started.